Hey Spice lovers, it's Steve, the Lazy Scientist, and today I'm going to make a spicy macaroni cheese. Let's go.
Okay, pasta in the bowl we're going to use, and then we're going to put that into some salted water. While that's cooking, let's make the cheese sauce. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of flour, and then this is the slow bit. You need to add in your milk really slowly, super mixing it each time. And I mean, the slower you can do this, the better. It is boring, but once it's done, you're ready to crumble in half a stock cube, add some pepper, and then a little bit of my Brockwell green sauce to add just a little bit of jalapeno flavour to it. Next up, 3 big handfuls of cheese, whisk the hell out of it until it comes to the boil. Right, the pasta's ready. Let's get that in our dish. We're going to add our cheese sauce, not too much. And then here is where you don't go off piste and decide to throw in spinach at the last moment. Add some mozzarella, because then that will go all gooey as you go through. More cheese, some panko breadcrumbs, and then get that in the oven at about 200 degrees C for about 20 minutes or until it's golden and crispy. I'm going to add some extra primo sauce to this because I want it super spicy. Now look at the cheese pool on that. Absolutely delicious.